It's dead. Like, fully dead. What the fuck? On the last game, though. You got good gas in there?
A little bit. I'm only going to have like 5 shots.
It's going to have to work. Be selective. I know, you got to stay with me. You're moving on me. You want to push right with everybody else because the flag's on the right. We got to defend the left.
Shot me in the back of the leg.
Damn.
I know I got one of them right in the face, and he left. Two things. He took one of these to the face, son. They're moving on his right. Hey, this road is part of it, right?
Yeah.
How much do you bet? We can see.
Alright, let's try T.
Call out anybody you see, please. No, I'm about to say you can use it. It has a full can of gas and full ammo. It's in the back of the thing. In the holster. Taking crater. Shit. There's 2 that way, but they're far up. I'm gonna get right here so that way they can't rush this side. But if I do that,
Hey, coming left! Coming left!
they have the flag. They're coming left. They have the flag. They're coming left. They do. Green team has the flag. Corey, move up on me, move up on me. There's enough, yeah. You got down, right side, I got left.
He's right there.
Left side, they're on far left side on this pathway. Hey, they're hit, damn.
Hey, what's that guy's name?
Who?
Right there.
Hey, yo!
Hey, can I use your pistol, bro? I'm out of battery. I got you on CO2 cans.
Got it. Whoop.
Thank you.
Hey, if you cover me, I'll run up and light him up.
All right, on 3.
Wait.
On 3 on your count. 3 on your count.
Coming out. Let him step out.
They're going right with it. They're going right with it. They're going right with the flag. Right with the flag. Hell yeah. Watch out. There's still a guy on your left. Left burrow. Left burrow.
Right side. See, right side.
Noah right.
Far right. Oh, they're pushing up the right. Fuck. See all these people going down. And the bush is right side. You got niggas pushing up that way. He needs cover. Damn, he got hit. Because there's spawns right there.
We got the flag. We got the guy with the flag on the left side.
Left side?
Flag on the left side.
I got 3 of them out. They're all waiting. They can't get out.
King, center.
I see through this. I got you guys. Watch out.
Hey guys, watch left side.
I got somebody. Got somebody on the left. Cover me. I'm in a bush. Watch your left side. Left side on the ground. Left side on the ground.
Oh my God, I'm out.
Yeah.
I'm all out of ammo.
Damn. Flag's moving right. Flag moving right. Flag right. Flag right. Reloading. Reloading.
I got him.
Corey, everybody's moving left side. Alright, I got you covered, man. Reload the pistol. Yo. Got you, he is too. We got one down, there's only one guy pushed up. Both guys are out. Both guys are out.
Hey, friendly. Push up, we're really far out.
Okay, push up, push up.
Hey, on this berm.
Here, I'm about to hit this ground, about to hit the ground, about to hit the ground. Make sure it's about to hit the ground. Hit!
Fake niggas don't know real shit from a real nigga. Don't fuck with gold diggers, I don't know no hoe niggas. Florida nigga mentality, Florida nigga mentality, Florida nigga mentality. I beat the pussy babality. Fake niggas don't know real shit from a real nigga. Don't fuck with gold diggers, I don't know no hoe niggas. Florida nigga mentality, Florida nigga mentality, Florida nigga mentality. I beat the pussy babality. Up in the hood with Curry the killer. Nigga talk stupid, don't call him my nigga. Black lead thuggin', red and clean muggin'. Ain't talking money, ain't talking about nothing. Florida mentality, nigga babality. I beat the pussy, she go to sleep happily. Money and family, nigga no gravity. Laughing at niggas who thinking they fly as me. Then if he tryin' me, we go to war. Miami niggas thumb hinge to the floor. He don't want no more. Tender his face. Florida mentality, don't fuck with fake. Spit in the face of a nigga who fake. Spit in the face of a bitch who at stake. But what you think? I'ma do me. Florida mentality, now you see. Fake niggas don't know real shit from a real nigga. Don't fuck with gold diggers, I don't know no hoe niggas. Florida nigga mentality, Florida nigga mentality, Florida nigga mentality. I beat the pussy babality. Fake niggas don't know real shit from a real nigga. Don't fuck with gold diggers, I don't know no hoe niggas. Florida nigga mentality, Florida nigga mentality, Florida nigga mentality. I beat the pussy babality. Fuck the police, fuck the police. Shots out to all my niggas thuggin' in these streets. I said fuck the police, fuck the police. Shots out to
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Hey, come here. We had a bunch of people up there stacked on their base. We need to either get back there or stop these
Who has
guys.
the flag?
That's our guy.
We got the flag now?
Alright, move up!
Is anybody missing an armband? What's up? What's up? The fuck? What's up, bruh? It was good.
I need you to stay with me, bro. This is all I got. That's it.
Huh?
We could just charge and do full on.
Alright, let's rock.
Good. That's gay, baby.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Is that the last of the day?
Yep.